Alright guys, let's kick this tutorial off by doing my brows first. This is how I've been doing my brows for the past couple of weeks. I have the black in the middle and like the brown, the burgundy kind of surrounding the black. If you hear a noise in the background, that's my child listening to his program, so my apologies. The thing is, I've stopped doing voiceovers for a really long time because I know that Jonathan is constantly watching his show. I'm always asking, Mommy ABC, Mommy ABC. So this is the only time I can get to do a voiceover. I really like doing voiceovers because I kind of explain to you guys what I'm doing rather than you just watching and kind of insinuating or trying to piece together what I'm doing. Now this new brow, the way of doing my brows is the same with the whole concealer. The only thing is I'm using a burgundy pencil and the black is in the middle. And the reason why I start the black where the black where it is. The reason why I start the black there is because that's where my natural brow ends, you know. So I'm trying to still blend my natural brow so it looks as red as this seems, quote unquote, natural. This is my deep concealer. I got that at Fontana Pharmacy. And just as how I would normally do my brows, this is exactly how I'm going to do it, just to get it straight, just to get it perfect. I know, so I'm going to look a perfection thing there. So yeah, I don't have much to say about this area of this tutorial, so I'm just going to kind of move on from here because it's the same way I do my brows. And you guys have seen how I do my brows 1,000,001 times, so it's just the same that I'm doing, nothing different. The only thing that's different, as I said before, is my color placement. And I chose to put the black in the middle, as I said, is because I kind of wanted to look as natural as possible. I know this sounds weird, me having red brows looking natural. I know it sounds weird, but for me, I love doing brows. I love experimenting with brows. And I've worn glitter brows. I've worn black brows. It doesn't matter to me. I love experimenting with brows. So this is just my other way of experimenting with them. And I've even had people come to me and ask me where I tint my brows. I'm like, my brows aren't tinted. I use pencil and they're flabbergasted. They cannot believe that pencil created this look. And as you guys are seeing, pencil created this look. Alright, so I have my foundation on and I'm doing so much of a glitter baking. So this is my LA Girl contour in deep, and I'm using this to as like an eyeshadow, like a little transitional color, like a deep color, because I'll be using the Carly Bible palette again. And honestly, at this point, I only use that palette for the highlight. I no longer use it for the colors. I probably use 1 or 2 colors like because I brow bone, but nothing where I can get a full look out of it. So this is my LA Girl Pro Primer in black. And you know, I don't know if you guys, if you're new to my channel, hey, what's up, bro? But this is what I do whenever I don't have a black in a palette, or whenever I want to deepen my crease without using a black eyeshadow. I use a black pencil, or in this case, my LA Pro Primer. You guys know my LA Pro Primer, I use it on my lips, I use it as a base, I use it as eyeshadow. It's amazing. Now this, I do not recommend you do because this creased on me horribly for the day. I had to keep on rubbing my fingers over my eyelids to smooth up the eyeshadow. But you see how smooth it looks on my lids there? It looks amazing as a highlight on my cheekbones, but as a base or like an eye primer of sorts, do not use this highlight for that because it will crease on you like crazy. I was trying to see if I could use something underneath to get the colors to pop something a bit more pigmented, something a bit more shimmery, sorry, rather than using my white LA Pro Primer. I wanted to use something a bit shimmery. Tried this and it didn't work. Now this little palette thingy here I got when I purchased the Carly Bible, because I had purchased I think 3, so I got a free gift with it. So this is what I chose. I don't even know if it has a name. I just chose it and decided to use it today so that my eyes could be all beige except using my LA Girls, you know. So yeah, again, I don't recommend using the LA Girl highlight duo as a eye primer or an eyeshadow base. That will crease on you. Alright, so moving on. I feel out of breath. Right now I'm just blending my eyeshadow, blending my eyeshadows without no product on them. So I just use my 217, just blend out where I place the color. Then I'm going back in with my pomade brush right and just blend that down. So now I'm using my Inglot eyeliner gel in 77, and I'm putting this on my waterline as well as my lash line. So I'm basically using this as eyeliner. So I'm going back in with the glows, and I'll be using an array, and I wish I could pop these out and like stick them in a pan all by itself because I really do love these glows, you guys. I could have stopped at the first two, but the last one that I put on, that holographic one, is by far my favorite. And I know it's not sitting well on my skin tone, and throughout the day, to be honest, it wore way too dramatic. And you guys know how I feel about my glows. But I've been taking a step back and I've been assessing how I do my makeup, you know, like, does my glow have to be that strong? Does it, you know, it just doesn't have to be so extra. I mean, on days where I want to feel extra, I'll do it, and ain't nobody stopping me. You know what I'm saying? But today I just felt like it was a little, I could have stopped here, but today I just felt like it was a little bit overboard when I went in with this last one right here. But I mean, it looks great on camera. So my lipstick is MAC Snob, and the lip liner I'm using is by, I think the brand is called Carlia. Or it's like a brown, it's like a reddish pencil. I can't remember the brand, but I think it's sold in some Caribbean countries. But this was like a gift from a friend. So this is what that looks like, and I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics lip palette again when I ordered the Carly, because I have two. I thought I ordered one, but eventually I ordered 4, and I got this free to choose. So I chose this lip palette, and I used this as well. Same pink look. You don't have to go as pink as I did. I'm just showing you a little bit of variety when it comes to the lips. You can either use your lipstick or the BH Cosmetics free stuff that you get. You know, I'm just trying to use up the stuff that I have, so you guys, so I can get a nice rounded look for you guys. Again, using the same lip pencil that I used before with my MAC Snob. So this is it for the look, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. We're almost done. This is day 27. Holy crap. I'll talk to you guys in the next video, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Click that notification bell. Follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat. Yeah, lie down. Okay. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
Feels like I'm in the sky, flying over clouds or something. I don't smoke weed, but you can say I'm high on something. It's like this music is my addiction. I call it my nicotine. What you're witnessing